Step into the garden, where the real bug battles begin every sunrise. Our villains, pesky aphids and greedy caterpillars munching away. Our mission, spy on these tiny terrors to protect our green kingdom. Calling all garden heroes. Ladybugs, spiders, and more to the rescue. Building a 5-star bug hotel and planting the finest flowers to attract our allies. Look as our defenders swoop in to save the day. It's a showdown. Watch our heroes face off with the villains in epic slow-mo. With predators on guard, behold our plants thriving like never before. Deploying our secret weapon, companion planting to confuse and repel invaders. Our bug heroes hard at work, nature's own pest control on the job. Ready to start your own bug watch? Here's how you can unleash your garden's defenders. From pest paradise to predator party, check out these amazing transformations. And that's a wrap. Our gardener can finally relax in a pest-free paradise. Want more bug battling action? Subscribe and join the Garden Defense Squad. Thanks for watching. Keep your thumbs green and your garden serene.